नमस्कार. आयच्या पॅट्रन सिरिजान तुमकां येवकार. आयच्या ह्या आगळ्या वेगळ्या पॅट्रन सिरिजान आमी आयल्या एलिफंट अँड को अंजुना हांगासर. आनी तुमी पळोवंक शकता हांगासर एक सेल लागलेलो आसा. हो सेल मोस्टली ऑर्गनायज केला WE ह्या ऑर्गनायझेशनान जे विमेन एम्पावरमेंटाचेर चड भर दिता. आनी मेन म्हळ्यार ह्या सेलांतलो जो प्रॉफीट येता तो वयतलो महाबली एनिमल आश्रम हांकां जे आसा पेडण्या ह्या सायडीक. सो ह्याचेर डिटेलान उलोवपाक आमचे बरोबर आसा WE ची फावंडर इन्सिया. सो कुड यू टेल अस अबाउट युअर ऑर्गनायझेशन, वॉट यू ऑल डू अँड what made you all come up with this concept of animal charity?
So WE is a women empowerment organization, and all of us are working women from Goa. We are about 50 of us. So we decided that it was that time of the year where we removed everything that we were not using over the past few months and do a little sale. So we've done a little thrift sale out here. And all the proceeds go to the Mahabali Animal Ashram, which is run by Nikki Todd. She has over 200 dogs, 110 cats, 2 cows. She rescues animals that have no home, that are unwell, that are injured. And we just wanted to do our little bit. You know, we all have moved to Goa, and Goa's given us so much. So we just wanted to give back in our small way.
So this is your first sale towards animal charity.
Yes, this is our first sale, but certainly not the last one. We all are big pet lovers, so we want to do our best and keep doing these sales every few months so that we can contribute to the charity. So we meet twice a month and we're always doing different things. This is the first time we've done a sale and the response has been so great, but I feel like we're going to do it every 3 months. I think our most important message is that if you've come to Goa and made it your home, just don't keep taking, learn to give back. There are a lot of people, there are a lot of pets, especially animals and dogs in Goa that, you know, need support. So if you can do a little bit by giving from what you have, which Goa has given so much of, I think we should all do a little bit.
तरी एक्चुअली इन्सिया द फावंडर ऑफ WE जी हांगासर एक आगळो वेगळोसो सेल घेवन आयला आनी ताजो प्रॉफीट जो आसा तो वयतलो महाबली एनिमल आश्रम हांकां. प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट साहिल मांद्रेकर वांगडा अपेक्षा पेडणेकर.